Mickey Mouse, let me back in the clubhouse, bitch. Oh, yeah.
Well, I go back to the dog shelter.
Oh, hell no.
Alright, well, that's it for today. Donald, go clean up the toilet, please.
No, you can get the toilet, bitch. The fuck?
Get over here. You're gonna clean that toilet. Donald, come help me make dinner.
Bitch, I ain't doing shit.
Get your ass over here now! Get your ass! Speak to me like that!
Hey, yo, Daisy, can you shut the hell up? I'm trying to take a shit here.
What?
What the hell? Oh! Holy shit! Oh! Okay!
Mother hacker! Well, can you shut the hell up? I'm trying to fucking do something! Oh, you want some chili, Mickey? Oh, I'm sorry! Don't you ever speak to me like that! Maybe stop, motherfucker! Okay!
Donald, run!
Come here!
Hey, yo, Donald, shut up, bitch! What the hell?
Get over here!
You goofy, shut the fuck up.
What the hell did you say to me?
I said goofy, stop. What the fuck? Stop it.
What, my bitch?
Oh my God.
Hold on, Donald, clean the bathroom. Get over here! I cannot believe you're robbing Goofy, Donald!
What is a bitch?
Oh shit!
You son of a bitch!
Come here!
Mickey Mouse, you better open this door, motherfucker! Oh, yeah!
How about you make me, motherfucker? Uh-huh.
Come here! Ah! You don't talk to me like that! What the hell?
What the fuck?
Oh, yeah, hello there, Mickey. How's it going there, pal? Oh, yeah.
Oh, I'm doing fine. I'm about to play some Call of Duty, huh?
You can shut the fuck up. I'm trying to take a shit. Oh my God.
Who the fuck do he think he is, man?
Step aside, Goofy. I'll take care of this. Hey, Don, I got you some toilet paper, huh?
Oh, thank you very much, Mickey Mouse.
Oh, you're welcome. Don't you ever talk to me like that! Come here, try it!
Holy shit! Oh, yeah. He's dead.
Donald? Donald!
Oh my God, shut up.
Donald, get out there and do your chores!
I don't have to.
That's your dead voice, huh?
Hey, Mickey, let's go outside and play some baseball, man. Oh, yeah.
Of course, Goofy! Fuck no! Go fucking ask Donald, man! God!
Get over here, you son of a bitch! Ah! Ah! You're gonna play baseball with me! Ah! Oh, hell no! Come on, they ain't gonna say.
Everybody, shut the hell up right now!
You shut up, bitch! You want a piece of me?